Hi Naija Tribe. This is the last video of 2019, so I decided to end it with a sweet treat. They're going to be blondies made from chickpeas, so chickpea blondies. It doesn't taste like beans. It's so delicious. It's super healthy, really clean ingredients, and I know you guys are going to love it. All the ingredients will be listed below in the description box, and I really hope you give this a try and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. This recipe is grain-free, gluten-free, nut-free. It's pretty much allergen-free. Everyone can enjoy it, and it's very delicious. All the ingredients are pretty much really easy to get. It's probably in your pantry with the exception of maybe some vegan chips, chocolate chips, but those are really easy to pick up from the store as well. And I think you guys are gonna really like it. Please be sure, if you haven't joined the Naija Tribe, to please hit the subscribe button below and give this video a big thumbs up. That tells YouTube that you like the content on this channel, and they'll recommend this channel to other people so more people can get these recipes and hair care and all that kind of stuff. They can get all the information that I will be putting out. So I'm looking forward to kicking off January with you guys. And in this recipe, it's actually a 2-for-1. Because on top of the brownies, the blondies, will be a caramel sauce. So to learn how to do the caramel sauce, I have it as a separate video, but I'll also put it in this video as well. It's super simple. It's just 2 ingredients to make the caramel sauce that you can put on top, and that's super healthy as well. This is a whole food, plant-based recipe. So it's great that you can have savory and sweet, whole food, plant-based, no oil or sugar or salt added. And it tastes amazing. So I really hope you guys give this a try. I'm looking forward to hearing your comments. And if you have any questions or any requests of videos you'd like for me to do in 2020, please be sure to leave it below in the comment section and I'll get right on it. I love you guys. Thank you for all your support, and I wish you a very happy new year. So if you've had a blondie before, you know it's essentially a brownie without the chocolate. And typically they're either made with white chocolate chips or butterscotch chips. Today, we're gonna make some awesome blondies, but healthy, and we're gonna make them with chickpeas. There are many benefits of using chickpeas in desserts and baking. Here, just to name a few. It replaces your flour so that your dessert can be grain-free and gluten-free. It's really high in fiber. It doesn't have a strong flavor, so whatever flavor you're trying to have come forward, it will be easily masked with the chickpeas. It has a really good dense texture that it adds to dessert, so it's perfect for brownies and certain types of quick breads, and it's really high in vitamins and minerals. As you all can see, the best thing about this recipe is that it's all blended in one blender or food processor. Then you pour it out into your baking dish and mix in the chocolate chips and the butterscotch chips and put it in the oven. Once it's out of the oven and cool completely, we want to add date paste or date caramel as a topping.